What's up everyone, my name is MoneyMalone and I'm here to introduce you to my new series called RTS from Scratch. Now this from scratch means I am taking a concept that I've created, a game concept, and much like the similar top-down RTS games in the past like the Command & Conquer series and StarCraft from Blizzard, I am going to create a game like this, but from no experience. So I'm going to learn 3D modeling, I'm going to learn the Unreal Engine, that's where I'm going to make the game, shows that over Unity, and I'm going to use tutorials on YouTube and all the resources possible, which are the viewers who are on Twitch with me, with more experience than I have, and we're going to put together this game. And we're going to do it from scratch. We're going to see if we can conceptualize it, learn how to build it all the way up, troubleshoot it, get into an alpha, allow people to play it, and then let's see if we can build something like this. So in case you don't know what an RTS is or any of the things I've mentioned, let's go ahead and get you up to speed. So very similar to the images that you just saw, we are making a base building game, an RTS, real-time strategy. And it's going to take us a while, but we are very dedicated. With the help of my best friend of 15 years, we have grown up on these games, and we have always wanted to progress in this direction, and both achieving our bachelor's degrees pretty soon. We want to work on this project, and I'm committed. And so he's working the 3D model side. He's an aerospace engineer. He has a lot of background in that. He's working towards it and practicing it every single day. I'm learning the Unreal side, and I'm also learning the Blender side, but I gotta focus on one thing at a time. So I'm divvying up. We're gonna organize the workload. We're gonna get this done. And especially shout out to the people who have been helping me in Twitch. You are a blessing. Husky, Sword Warrior, Electronic Army, you guys have been awesome. And if anybody watching this has any interest in the game, any interest in maybe helping out, joining the team, come check it out. Come and join. It's gonna take a while. I'm not saying this game's gonna be out tomorrow, but when I get to the point that I know I can really progress in creating the game itself instead of just being on the learning curve, I want to make a team, and I want to make it a big deal. Run a Kickstarter, do whatever I need to do. That's my background, it is in business. I want to make this happen because I love games like this, and EA has stopped making games like this. So it's apparent to me that previous games need a different model in order to keep it running. We can't just have a box price anymore, which sucks, and we need to keep the servers going. So that's kind of where the free-to-play is coming in. What you guys saw at the beginning of the video was a document where I'm just putting all my ideas down. Everything's subject to change. I'm not guaranteed anything right now, especially being this early. I'm just writing the story down, getting all my thoughts down, and it's subject to everybody's opinion. Everybody can throw something down. That's available on my Twitch, twitch.tv/MoneyMalone. And the resources I'm going to be using in order to accomplish the goals that I'm after, we're going to be using Epic Games Learn section. We got the forums for Unreal Engine. We've got Udemy. There's a class I'm going to be showing in a second. That is the class that I'm going to be giving credit to. I'm going to be making my first survival game through this class. And that just allows me to learn a little bit more about the game logic, practice some terrain. There's a lot to it. With Blender, there's of course classes on Udemy as well. There's people in my chat that have been tons of help, as I've already said. So we're gonna get this done. It's gonna take a while, of course. My Twitter is brand new, so we're gonna keep that going. I'm gonna throw announcements of generally when I'm gonna be streaming, because right now my schedule is always gonna be left and right, up and down. Don't know which way is up. Only because some days I've got to dedicate to making these videos. So the first video that we've made takes a FBX file and turns it into Unreal Engine. It's a little cheeky just because we were trying to have a little bit of fun. We were excited, and so that's just kind of the vibe that we get between Cameron and I. And it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. So if you haven't already, please go drop a follow. Just stop by every once in a while. And thanks for watching, guys. I'm so excited for this. Keep watching, subscribe maybe. This is a big goal. I don't know if anybody has actually done this from scratch completely. So let's see if it can be done.